Today's the official opening of our Henderson facility, south of Perth. It's really cool to have so many of our customers come out today and stakeholders, people from the bank, some really important customers to us come out and support us. This is a big step for us. Essentially what we're doing here is we've separated our services, our core field service team down to this facility to bolster those capabilities, and we've also invested in some additional capabilities around manufacturing. So that's manufacturing of trailers, mobile equipment to be able to package up our battery systems, our hydrogen fuel cell generators, mobile solutions for mining and construction, essentially.
The hub will be set up to specific standards to align with the Mine Site Act in WA moving forward. So everything that we do down here will be compliant and to standards.
So this is our Clean Energy Centre. This is where we'll do the deployment for our hydrogen fuel cell generators for WA. So essentially this brings us into another realm of opportunity for our business. We're now a complete one-stop shop. We don't need to outsource any of our fabrication, any of our engineering. That's all done in-house. For mining in particular, and also construction, being able to have control of the quality that we send our customers, actually have our own designs, our own intellectual property go into our solutions is a really big step forward, and we're hoping it paves the way for greater opportunities.